Good day, and welcome to episode 27 of the 100 Spin Test, where I take roulette strategies and deliberately play them poorly. There are too many distractions which prevent people from playing roulette perfectly. So the goal of this channel is to honestly see if certain flat betting strategies can deal with the real world and human imperfection. There are also too many charlatans misinforming novice players online. So, I also want to assist others to be able to assess the quality of the advice they are viewing. Today's test strategy is from an April 14, 2024 episode of the Online Gaming 999K YouTube channel titled Amazing Strategy Everyday Profit. Here we go with another BS meter alarm. Even professionals don't win every day. No matter what strategy anyone touts, there is always that pesky house edge which varies between 1.35 to 7.69%. Therefore, a large number of consecutive unmodified bets can drain a bankroll. With any luck, we can uncover and exploit an exception. It's not going to happen today. Since I play online, I'll stick to the European game because it dominates with online casinos. There are 16 winning numbers out of a possible 37, giving you a 43% likelihood of winning on each spin. I think that it would be just as bad on a North American wheel. To simplify things for analysis and scaling, I've reduced the unit size to $1, euro, or pound. The creator should have as well. I'd sooner spend $170 on a reasonable restaurant meal with someone I care about rather than pissing it away on an online roulette table. It's roulette, so sometimes a good strategy fails like the one in episode 23, and sometimes shite wins. I'm not holding out hope on this one. The strategy, if you want to call it that, is a bunch of overlapping bets that go up 3 double streets. Place 1 unit each on the 10 to 15, 16 to 19, and 22 to 23 double streets, 1 unit each on the 10 to 14, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 17 to 21, 22 to 26, and 23 to 27 corners, and 1 unit each on the 10 to 13, 11 to 14, 12 to 15, 16 to 19, 17 to 20, 22 to 25, 23 to 26, and 24 to 27 splits. Why do we skip the 18 to 21 splits? I'll be damned if I know. I'm sure that you can move the double streets around based on what's hot, but I can't honestly be asked. You will win 25 units if the ball lands on 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, or 26. It drops to 16 if the ball lands on 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 19, 22, 24, 25, or 27. Say goodbye to 2 units if the ball lands on 18 or 21 and regret your choices, and forfeit 17 units if the ball lands on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, or 36.
As always, the chart below shows the progress of the strategy as misplayed and gives a hint at how volatile the bet is. Now let's speed things up and watch the progress. I'll be back at the end to summarize.
This one failed by almost double the house edge. We did manage to peak at a 65 unit profit before sinking to a low watermark of negative 104 units and finally settling at an 83 unit loss. We won 43 times and lost 57. We got 7, 25-unit wins which was 9 fewer than expected, 36, 16-unit wins which was 9 more than expected, 9, 2-unit losses which was 3 fewer than expected, and finally 48, 17-unit whacks which was 3 fewer than expected. I ran a few statistical tests on the results. The chi-square test indicated that these results were likely random. The average number of spins before we got a hit was 2.3 with a standard deviation of 1.6. That means it took 4 spins or less to get a win 65% of the time and 6 spins or less 95% of the time. The maximum number of consecutive wins was 5 and losses was 8. When you're taking advice from strangers, figure out how it costs them if you lose all of your money. If it's 0, then why would you take it seriously? I wouldn't even bet pennies on it.
Keep in mind that casinos are not there to make you rich. So test strategies on a simulator and read the critiques of any strategy that you are planning to use. Also, all roulette players should remember that no system works all the time and some don't work at all. Adjust your risk level accordingly. Good luck until the next time.